Students of first year, how are you? I think all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Creator, and I also hope you have passed winter vacation properly, and through passing your winter vacation, your mind, body, soul, all are now fresh. So, in this fresh mind, try to concentrate your mind in a study. Through a study, you can develop your mind, body, soul, etc. How is it possible? Can you guess? Education is nothing but learning something. But in my previous classes, I told you who is a true learner. Can you tell me who is a now? Can you tell me who is a proper learner? I think all of you should tell the answer. I am repeating the answer now. The students who applies his learning things in his own life is a true learner. Can you tell me who is living learner? The answer is the same. The students who applies his learning things in his practical life is called a living learner, is called a living person. But not all learning things, if you apply any kinds of learning things, you can't be a living person, a truly living person. Then another term is, who is truly living person? The answer is that the students who applies the positive learning in his practical life is called truly living learner. In this regards, can you tell me who is true learner of English language? The answer is very simple. The students who applies English learning in his practical life, for example, in his or her communication, then the learner is called true learner, living learner in English language. So students, try to realize the point. If you learn a lot of vocabulary, if you learn a lot of grammatical items, but if you fail to apply the English language in your practical life, then your learning is fruitless. So try to apply English language, English learning in your practical life. When necessary, that means when communication is needed, then try to communicate with others through English language, and this is the goal of English language learning. And what is the goal of education? I told my previous classes the goal of education is different. Understand, students? The goal of education is different. The goal of education is making you a complete man. What complete man? You will not have any kind of restriction in your way. But is it possible? In your life, no restriction arises. Is it possible? No, it's not possible. In your life, a lot of struggle, a lot of obstacles, lot of problems may come. But a complete man can easily overtake the problems, the obstacles, etc. And in his or her mind, always peace stays, always happiness stays. So the goal of education is great. The goal education always give you power, and through the power you will always enjoy happiness, joy, power, etc. So students, now today I will discuss about grammatical item articles. Okay students, articles. And what is the aim of articles you should realize at first, because without the necessity of learning articles, no desire arises. So try to realize the point why you will learn articles properly. Articles is a grammatical item that give you some power, and by using the power you will be able to form a sentence beautifully. That means the one target of articles is one, beautiful, to make the sentence beautiful. And the another item is to reduce tiredness. That means it will help you to use English language easily, and through easy using, your inner satisfaction will be increased. But if you don't learn English, then a sense will not develop. So the third condition is making a complete help to make a complete sense. Helps to make a complete sense. Suppose think that if you say I have cow, I have pen, I have book, there the sentence is not, the sentences don't make a clear sense because you have book. The question arises, how many book? The answer is not found from the sentence. But if you say I have a cow, then there no question arises. The sense is clear. You have a cow, you have a book, etc. But if you say I have cows, here the sentence, the question doesn't arise, because through the sentence you can realize that you have cows, you have pens, and the number of pens is more than one. The answer is number of the pen is more than one. So through articles we know the identity, actually the quantity of a noun. Understand students? Articles puts basing on a noun. Try to realize the point. When noun is not present, articles is not needed to put. So articles come following a noun. Try to realize the point. This is the most important point. When article puts, try to realize articles puts following a noun, but not all kinds of nouns. So there is a necessity to know the classifications of noun. Later I will discuss about the matter. So students, what I am saying, my discussing matter is why we learn articles. The answer is we will learn, or you will learn articles to make the sentence beautiful, to reduce the tiredness, or helps to make realizing a completing sense. This is the goal of, and another many reasons you should learn articles properly. And it's a very easy items, but also a puzzling item too, because in some situations you have to feel puzzled situation whether I put A or N or B, because in some situations you may find different articles before the same noun. Isn't it interesting? Okay, it's an interesting thing, and I will discuss the subject matter later. So students, this is the aim of articles. Now I will discuss how articles come. Try to realize. From one indicate a single thing or single person. From one, it's from on we can N and A come. So it's a brief figure or a short figure of one. So we can say that A or N is a short figure of 1. So this is the origin of N and A. That means N and A comes from 1. So if you, in a sentence, if you use again and again on, it's a tiresome thing and also a boring thing, and it makes the beauty of sentence, it breaks the beauty of a sentence. So from one, A or N comes from 1 and B comes from that. So they are on and that are determiner. That is also conjunction, but that is also a determiner. So in this regard we can say that A and B is also determiner. Realize the point, students. As on and that is determiner of a sentence, so the production of on and that, production of on is N and A, and production of that is B, so they are also called determiner of a sentence. So through my discussion you have realized that articles are, the number of articles are 3. Understand? The number of articles are 3. Among them, A and N is called indefinite articles. Do you know the meaning of definite? Definite means fixed. Understand? Definite means fixed, fixed identity. Indefinite means no fixed identity. So, a and an is indefinite articles. And these definite articles. Understand the point? Indefinite articles and definite articles. So, we can classify articles into two types. One is definite articles and another is indefinite articles. And the definite articles is be when the person is fixed, person is well known, the situation or person is fixed in the context, then we can use be. When the person is not fixed in a situation, then we can use a and an. This is the difference between a, an and the. Now students, I told you articles puts following a noun, but not following all kinds of noun. So you should know the classification of nouns, then the points will be more clear to you. Now I am discussing about the puzzling situation of a noun. Try to realize the point. I have written down three sentences. A cow is very useful animal. The cow is very useful animal. And cows are very useful animals. Can you guess? Among the three sentences, which one is right or the whole sentences is right? The students who have the sense of articles can tell that here three sentences are right. Through a cow, through the cow, the whole nation has mentioned. So when a whole nation is needed to mention, then you can use a cow, you can use the cow, or you can use the plural form of cows. Through these three terms, the whole nation can be mentioned. So when the situation arises to use the whole nation, then you can use a, the, and cows. If the first letter of the word is vowel, then an also may put. Understand, students? So this is a puzzling condition. In this situation, you may think that either a or the or cows, what articles may be put, but if you have a clear sense and if the situation is describing about a nation, then you are able to use either a or an or the or even cows. In this way, if you know the every rules of articles, then your power will be increased, your English learning power will be increased. That means your English language skills will be increased. So students, next class try to stay with me and try to learn the more details descriptions about articles. Okay student, thank you very much.